Good morning to one and all. In our previous classes, we learnt about if two triangles given means the triangles are similar, then what are the sides ratio, that one we studied, and basic proportionality theorem, converse of basic proportionality theorem. Through that some problems we solved. Today we see about similarity. So similarity criterions of the triangles already we learnt in our previous classes, but once again we recall that one. So criterion of similarity of triangles, the first one is AAA similarity. Criterion is stated as in two triangles, if corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. So angles are equal, corresponding angles equal means their corresponding sides are in proportion, then the two triangles are similar through AAA similarity. Okay, next one, AA similarity. Through AAA similarity only AA means angle similarity, that one. So if two triangles of one triangle are respectively equal to the angles of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. So in two triangles, one triangle angles, any two angles are equal to the corresponding angles of another triangle, that is only here given, then the two triangles are similar. So if two angles corresponding one equal means the third one is compulsorily equal. That purpose by AA similarity the two triangles are similar. Next one, SSS similarity. SSS means side. So it will be stated as in two triangles, if corresponding sides are proportional. So corresponding sides are proportional, then their corresponding angles are equal. So sides are proportional means angles are equal, then the two triangles are similar. So here sides are proportional means their corresponding angles are equal. So the two triangles are similar. Okay, next, SAS similarity. SAS side angle side. So this similarity is stated as if one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of another triangle and the including sides of these angles are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. So in a triangle, one angle taking, that angle contained which sides? In another triangle, the corresponding angle and that angle contained which sides, that are in proportional, then the two triangles are similar. So these were already we studied in our previous classes, these similarities. So by using these similarities we solving some problems, and if two triangles given means they are similar or not, otherwise in the two triangles some values given means we find the remaining value of the triangle. Now we see that one. Here given the problem, are the triangles formed in each figure similar? If so, name the criterion of similarity. Write the similarity relation in symbolic form. So here given triangles are similar or not asked. If they are similar, then say their similarity property and show that similarity in symbolic form. That one here asked. Now here if we observed, here two triangles there, FGH and IKH, two triangles there. So in triangles FGH, triangle IKH, two triangles to observe here given. FG is parallel to IK, FG is parallel to IK given. So these two lines are parallel lines given. So if we take an FK, otherwise IG, anyone take, that are the transversals of these parallel lines. So that transversals taken means angle G, angle I. If GI will be taken as transversal, then they are called alternate angles. So alternate angles are equal. So angle G equal to angle I, since alternate angles. Similarly, if FK will be taken as transversal, then angle F and angle K, they are also alternate angles. So they are also equal. And here these two triangles to observe, H is the same vertex and H vertex is opposite to the both angles. So angle FHG is equal to IHK, since vertically opposite angles. So here in these two triangles, the three angles, corresponding angles are equal. So already we learnt AAA similarity. In that, what it will be stated, if angles, corresponding angles are similar, equal, then their corresponding sides ratio is also proportion. So the two triangles are similar. So by AAA similarity, now we will say that triangle FGH is similar to triangle IKH. So in this problem, now if we see the next problem, here given ABC, one triangle, and AXY, it is another triangle. So in triangle ABC, triangle AXY, so angle A is two triangles to corresponding angle, so that two angles are equal. And here any angles are equal or not equal purpose, any information is not given, but here sides lengths given. So we will observe the sides ratio will be equal or not. So if AB side taken means its corresponding side ratio is AX. If AC side taken means its corresponding side is AY. If both these sides are ratios equal, then the two triangles are similar. So now AB length, here AX length 2 units, XB length 3 units given. That means total AB length is 5 units and AX length is 2 units. Here AC length is 5 units given and AY length, that is 2 units. So here the ratio of the two sides, corresponding sides ratio AB by AX, AC by AY are similar. they are equal. So here one angle, two sides ratio are same. So by SAS similarity, triangle ABC is similar to triangle AXY. Okay, in the next problem here given, in triangle ABC, triangle PQR, AB side 2 units, BC side 2 units and CA side 3 units given. Next, in triangle PQR, PQ 5 units, QR 4 units, RP 6 units given. So if 3 sides ratios are equal, then the two triangles are similar. Why? Because here any angle about not given. So now checking that sides ratio in triangle ABC, triangle PQR, AB side to corresponding side is PQ. So AB by PQ, that equal to 2 by 5. Next, BC by QR, BC by QR equal to 2 by 4 and AC by PR corresponding side, that equal to 3 by 6. So now here if we observe 2 by 5 means their simplification is not possible, but 2 by 4 means we can do 1 by 2, 3 by 6 means that is also 1 by 2. So here if we observe BC by QR, AC by PR, sides ratios is equal, but that is not equal to AB by PQ. So any one corresponding side ratio is not equal, then we can't say that two triangles are similar. So here we can conclude that triangle ABC is not similar to triangle PQR. Here given, if pairs of the triangles are similar and then find the value of x. So here given all triangles are similar triangles. From using their similarity, we have to find one value, that is x, that one not given, that value we have to find. Okay, in that first problem if we observed, so they are given two triangles ABC and ADE, two triangles given. In that two triangles, now the sides ratio AD, AB, AE, AC, DE, BC are equal. So AB by AD equal to BC by DE, that equal to AC by AE. The sides ratios are equal. So now what are the values given, that will be substituting. So here AB AD side ratio any one is not given, so we taking the next sides ratio BC DE, that value is given, and AC AE, that value is also given, that will be taking. So BC by DE equal to AC by AE. Here BC value x given, DE value 5 given, and AC value means here AE value 3 units and EC value 6 units given. That means total AC value is 9 units, 9 by AE value, that is 3 units. Now by cross multiplication, this 5 transferred to that side, that is multiplication. So 9 into 5 by 3. So 3 ones 3, 3s. So 3 5s 15. So x value is 15 units for this problem. Now in the second problem, if we observe here given triangles P R Q and triangle T S L. Okay, so their similarity order written means triangle L S T. So why? Because here angle R, angle S are corresponding angles equal given, that are 90 degrees given, and angle Q, angle T, angle Q, angle T are corresponding angles given. That means the remaining angle, angle P, angle L are also equal. So by AA similarity, these two triangles are similar. So triangles similar means their corresponding sides ratio is also equal. So PR by LS equal to RQ by ST, that equal to PQ by LT. So here our two PRLS sides ratio is not given. So that ratio left and remaining ratios taking RQ by ST equal to PQ by LT. So RQ value is 3 units given and ST value is 4.5 units given, and PQ value is 5 units given and LT value x units given. So by cross multiplication, 3 into x equal to 5 into 4.5. So now x equal to 5 into 4.5 by 3. So 3 ones, 3 15s, that means 1.5, where 1.5 into 5 equal to 7.5. So here the x value is 7.5 units. Okay, now the third problem, if we observe here, ABC is one triangle and PQC is another triangle. PQC is another triangle. In these two triangles, angle C is the common angle, so that is equal, and here angle B equal to 70 degrees given and angle Q outer side is 110 degrees given. That means angle PQB equal to 110 given. That BC is a line, on a line at any point the angle is straight angle, that is 180 degrees. So here at Q point, PQ dividing this side 110 means now it's this side is 70 degrees, 110 plus 70 equal to 180. So here 70 degrees nothing but given. So now angle B equal to angle Q. So here angle C is common angle, angle B, angle Q are corresponding angles equal. That means the remaining angle A and angle P, that are also corresponding angles equal. So by AA similarity, now these two triangles are similar. So now if we observe their similarity to corresponding sides ratio, AB by PQ equal to BC by QC equal to AC by CP. So here if we observed our two AP AC sides ratio not given, so left that one and remaining sides ratio taken means AB by PQ equal to BC by QC. Now AB side ratio is 5 given and PQ side ratio is x given and BC side ratio. So here BC means the total length of BQ plus QC, that is nothing but 6 by QC is 3, that is 3 given. Now by the cross multiplication, 6 into x equal to 5 into 3. So x equal to 5 into 3 by 6, 3 ones, 3 twos. So 5 by 2 means that is nothing but 2.5. So here x value is 2.5 units. Okay. Now the next problem seeing, here given PQ are a triangle and PMN is another triangle. So in triangle PQR, triangle PMN, in these two triangles if we observe angle P, that P point is common, that means angle, that vertex is common purpose, we will say angle P is common angle for the two triangles, and here MN is parallel to Q are given. So that symbol is nothing but parallel, that means angle M, angle Q are corresponding angles. Why? Because here PQ is a transversal. Similarly angle N, angle Q are corresponding angle because PR is transversal. We already know that corresponding angles are in equal ratio. So angle M equal to angle Q, angle N equal to angle R. So by AAA similarity, now these two triangles are similar. Now we write the corresponding sides ratio. So that is PQ by PM equal to QR by MN, that equal to RP by NP. So here our two PQ and PM side ratio lengths not given. So left that one and remaining sides ratios taking QR by MN equal to RP by NP. So here QR ratio is 15 given and MN ratio is 5 given, and RP ratio, RP means that is nothing but the sum of PN and NR, that means 4 plus X. So 4 plus X by NP, that NP ratio is 4. Okay. Now by the cross multiplication, 15 into 4 equal to 5 into 4 plus X. So 5 into 4 plus X, for 5 into 4 20, 5 into X 5X, 15 4s 60, plus 20 transfer to this side, that is minus 20. So 5X equal to 60 minus 20. 60 minus 20 is nothing but 40. Now multiplication 5 transfer to that side, that is division. So 40 by 5 is 8. So here the x value is 8. So in this model, if two triangles are similar, then we find the missing corresponding side ratio x. Okay. Here given a problem in the figure, angle ADE equal to angle CBA. Then show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE, and here given if AD equal to 3.8 centimeters, AE equal to 3.6 centimeters, BE equal to 2.1 centimeters, BC equal to 4.2 centimeters, find DE. Okay, so here the given triangles are ABC and ADE. Now in these two triangles, if we observe, A is the common vertex for the two triangles. That means angle A is common angle. So angle A equal to angle A, since common angle. And here given angle ADE equal to angle CBA already. That means angle CBA equal to angle ADE, that is given. So now here we observe in these two triangles, two corresponding angles are equal. So by AA similarity, now we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. Okay, so already we learned that if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides ratios is equal. So we are writing the corresponding sides ratio AB by AD, that is equal to BC by DE, that is equal to AC by AE. Okay, that sides ratios are equal. So now here what the given sides once we observing, that is AD 3.8 given and AE 3.6 given and BE 2.1 given and BC 4.2 given, and our to find DE. DE is how much, that length given. So here the corresponding sides ratio observed means AB to AD, that is given, and BC to DE, that means DE here we find means that is also given, in AC by AE. So AC by AE observe means AC length total one not given. So left this ratio and remaining two ratios taking AB by AD equal to BC by DE. BC by DE given. Now AB length 3.6 AE, EB length 2.1. So sum of AE plus EB, that means 5.7. So AB length is 5.7 and AD length is 3.8. Next BC length is 4.2. DE length only we want to find. By the cross multiplication, 5.7 into DE equal to 4.2 into 3.8. So DE equal to 4.2 into 3.8 by 5.7. If we cancel points, so 19 2 ja 38, 19 3 ja 57. Now 3 ones, 3 14s. So 1.4 into 2, that means 2.8. So the DE length is nothing but 2.8 centimeters. Here all are given in centimeters units only. So DE length is also given as 2.8 centimeters. Here the given problem, the perimeters of two similar triangles are 30 centimeters and 20 centimeters respectively. If one side of the first triangle is 12 centimeters, determine the corresponding side of second triangle. That one our to ask. So here perimeters of similar triangles are also equal to their corresponding sides ratios. So that is the information, right? The into similar triangles the perimeters of triangles ratio is equal to the corresponding sides ratio. Okay, so here that ratio we are writing. So perimeter of first triangle by perimeter of second triangle equal to side of first triangle by the corresponding side of second triangle. Now here perimeter of first triangle is given 30 centimeters and the second triangle perimeter 20 centimeters given. That means 30 by 20 equal to side of the first triangle, that is 12 centimeters given, and the side of second triangle is we want to only find, that means side of second triangle. Now by cross multiplication, so side of second triangle into 30 equal to 12 into 20. So we need side of second triangle. So this multiplication 30 transferred means that is nothing but division. So side of second triangle equal to 12 into 20 by 30. 0 0 gets cancelled, 3 1s 3 4s, so 4 2s 8. So the corresponding side of second triangle is 8 centimeter. Therefore corresponding side of second triangle equal to 8 centimeters.